Part three, hello. Well, first off, let me congratulate you on making the right decision by doing remote because it is really hot in here today. I think we're like at, I don't know, 80, upper 80 something, and it's pretty hot. So if you are home and cool, well, congratulations, that was a smart move. So let me just first off say I love what you guys are doing. You're turning in some really cool sketches. I'm seeing some really cool stuff from you guys. There is, I don't know, just um, you guys are taking a lot of different angles from these drawings and sketches, and I love it and keep it up. So far, so good. What I also want to remind you of is if you go to that video section on the homepage, there is a video compendium of everything that I have recorded and posted so far for all of my classes. Now, you don't have to go in there and waste your time looking at me talking to the camera and things like this, introductions and those sorts of things. But there are a lot of tutorials. There's a growing number of tutorials. So right now there's a couple of different framework building the videos. There's one that takes you kind of on the process from starting a very loose drawing to starting a more finished drawing. I have tutorials on there for my portrait and illustration class, which touch on drawing different facial features. There's an eye drawing tutorial, there's a nose drawing tutorial, and I'm going to continue to build that collection. We'll get into drawing mouths, we'll get into drawing different things, hands, and all kinds of stuff. So there is a growing amount of videos on there. There's a growing amount of tutorials, things that can help you draw, maybe draw a little better. Or if you're just stuck for an idea for a week, you can go on and you can do one of those tutorials and you can use that as your weekly sketch. Now, just because it's a weekly sketch doesn't mean it has to be this polished, finished drawing. You can do an artist study of something. What an artist study is it's kind of just a little small collection of various drawings on one sheet of paper that show you are learning how to draw something. So, for example, in the eye drawing tutorial video, by the end of that video, I have what is referred to as an artist study of the eye, this eye. And all it is it's a solid sheet of paper with just a bunch of eye drawings on it. So there's not really any one necessarily finished complete drawing, but it's just lots of sketches of the eye from different angles, different views, different versions, different styles. You can do stuff like this for your weekly drawing. If you are maybe learning how to draw the hand, maybe you don't just draw one finished drawing of the hand. Maybe you do lots of just little sketches, little doodles, figuring out how to draw it from different angles, how, like, different fingers create different sort of views, positions. You can do stuff like that so that it's not just like, okay, well, here's my finished drawing. You can say, hey, look, I'm learning how to draw these things. I did all these different little sketches, and here you go. If you're still a little bit confused on what an artist study is, you can just go to Google, do an image search, type in artist study eye, artist study hand, whatever, and you'll see a million different examples of what an artist study is, what it looks like. And I think those sorts of things are really helpful to you as an artist when you're learning how to draw something. Really, the best way to learn is just to draw it over and over and over again. So you can do stuff like that. So I just wanted to kind of throw out those options to you when you're doing your weekly sketch. It doesn't just have to be this, perfectly formed, finished picture. It can be a doodle. It can be a study of something. I like to see that stuff because that shows that you are growing as an artist. So again, that is an option. You can go, you can look through those tutorials. You can find your own tutorials online somewhere and complete those. I'm totally fine with you doing that because that's showing growth. That's showing that you are learning, you're improving as an artist. Other than that, I love what you guys are doing. Keep keep up the good work. Keep on being as creative as you are. I'm really blown away by a lot of the stuff that you guys are turning in. It's pretty rad. So just keep doing your thing. Again, you can check out those videos. If you have any questions, go to the video link underneath um, on the homepage where it like has all the, but there's like a little camera there. It says video. Um, or if you have any, I'm sorry, if you have any questions, go to the help thing. If you go to the help thing, again, same row buttons, go to help. My email's on there. You can always shoot me a message. I think you can probably message me through Canvas too. I think they're all just connected through email or something, but there's ways to get a hold of me. So if you have questions, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, keep up those good drawings. Um, all this stuff makes sense. Yes, yes, yes. Great, thanks. Okay. Uh, so turn everything in by Friday, and I can't wait to see what you guys are doing. Okay, adios.